I'm not a Delta Igbo man. If you call me a Delta Igbo, I'll call you Anambra Igbo. I'm a full-blooded Igbo man from Delta State, Igbo Bofu. There is nothing like Delta Igbo, Anambra Igbo, Imo State Igbo, Igbo Bofu. I'm an Igbo man from Delta State. Get this right. Make you no look for my trouble. Abmonyi Igbo is button one for peace.
Our brother there said that he is not a Delta Igbo. That he is a full-blooded Igbo man from Delta State. That our brother is from Ika land. When you call we Anioma people Delta Igbo, you are automatically saying that we are not Igbo people without including that Delta in it. You don't say this person is Anambra Igbo, Enugu Igbo, Ebonyi Igbo, Imo Igbo, Abia Igbo. No, you just say this is an Igbo person. But when people want to address we Anioma people, they say these people are Delta Igbos. Don't call we Anioma people Delta Igbo. Call us Igbo people. After calling us Igbo, ask us which state are you from. We will tell you that we are from Delta states. If we Anioma people can't come up from Delta states, can't get Anioma states, are you now going to be calling us Anioma Igbo? Some people will tell you that the reason why they call we Anioma people as Delta Igbo is because we Anioma people are not part of the Southeast. So in order for people to know the section of Igbo land that we are, they have to include that Delta by calling us Delta Igbo. That name Delta Igbo is separating we Anioma people from our Igbo brothers in the Southeast. And that is because it looks as if the Igbo of we Anioma people is different from the Igbo of our Igbo brothers in the Southeast. Once you hear the word, this person is an Igbo person, the first word will come your mind na Southeast. But when you hear Delta Igbo, you don't know say this person own Igbo now from Delta states. You will see some Anioma people, they will tell you that they are Delta Igbo, but they are not Igbo people. He is Delta Igbo, which means he is different from Ndibo in the Southeast. His own Igbo is not connected to Ndibo in the Southeast. That is why he will tell you that he is Delta Igbo and not Igbo. Because Igbo is Ndibo in the Southeast and Delta Igbo is for the Igbos in Delta states only. Stupidity is when you say that you are Delta Igbo, but you are not an Igbo person. Why you can't add that Igbo for that place? I be not say anything Igbo na the same with our Igbo brothers in the Southeast. That is the reason why we are expected to kill the mindset of Delta Igbo. There is nothing like Sokoto Hausa, Jigawa Hausa, Kano Hausa, Kaduna Hausa. They are all Hausa. There is nothing like Osun Yariba, Oyo Yariba, Ekiti Yariba. They are all Yariba. There is nothing like Anambra Igbo, Enugu Igbo, Abia Igbo. They are Igbo. When you call we Anioma people Delta Igbo, you are saying that we Anioma people are not Igbo enough. Igbo is the identity of every Bia-speaking community in Nigeria and worldwide. If you go America, you go to see some people talk say, I'm African American, I'm Jamaica American, I'm Chinese American. There is nothing like African American, Chinese American. You are a Chinese, you are a Japanese, you are a Jamaican. You are not indigenous there, you are a migrant there. So it's expected of you to say, I'm a Chinese person in America, I'm a Japanese in America. We Anioma people are indigenous Igbo people in Delta State. It's expected of everyone to refer to we Anioma people as Igbo people. If you remove American from the identity of that Chinese person that is calling himself Chinese American, remove American from there, what is he? He remains a Chinese person. If you remove Delta State from we Anioma people, what are we? We remain Igbo people. Calling us Delta Igbo simply means that we are not Igbo if you don't add Delta. Calling us Delta Igbo means that Our tribal identity is Delta. Our ethnic identity is Delta. Those Anioma people that are saying that they are Delta Igbo should know that there is nothing like Delta Igbo. We are Igbo people. What ethnic nationality are you? I'm an Igbo person. I'm from Igbo ethnic nationality. Simple. We are Igbo people before the creation of Nigeria. Now that we are in Nigeria, we remain Igbo people. A political identity called Delta should not be the thing that you will call before calling what you are. I am Delta Ukwuani. I am River State Ukwuani. I'm Bayelsa State Ukwuani. How did that make sense? Ukwuani people are indigenous in Delta State, River State, and Bayelsa State. An Ukwuani person in River State is called an Ukwuani person, not Rivers Ukwuani. An Ukwuani person in Bayelsa State is called Ukwuani person, not Bayelsa Ukwuani. Call the person an Ukwuani person. Make the person tell you say he be Ukwuani person from Bayelsa State. Make the person tell you say he be Ukwuani person from Delta State. Make the person tell you say he be Ukwuani person from River State. That is how it should be. If you call that person River State Ukwuani, it means say that person not be Ukwuani person if you not add that River State. It means say you can't call that person Ukwuani if you don't add that River State. Call us Ukwuani, let us tell you the state that we are from. Don't call us South Igbos. Call us indigenous Igbos in the South. Indigenous Igbos in the South is the same thing as Ndi Igbo in the Southeast. You put Igbo first before the political identity. Ndi Igbo in Delta State. Ndi Igbo comes first before Delta State. When you say Ndi Igbo in Delta State, you are automatically saying these Igbo people are one people with Ndi Igbo worldwide, but they are located in Delta State. Ndi Igbo in the Southeast, these Igbo people are the same people with every Ndi Igbo worldwide, but they are located in the Southeast. Ndi Igbo in the South, these Igbo people are one people with Ndi Igbo worldwide, but they are located in the South. But when you say Southeast Igbos, South Igbos, Delta Igbos, you are putting a political identity first before what they are. You are saying that they are nothing if you don't put that political identity first. We are here to put an end to that thing. What is your ethnic nationality? My ethnic nationality is Igbo. Full stop. Don't put Enugu, Anambra, Imo, Ebonyi, Abia before that word Igbo. Igbo comes first. See how our brother from Ika land is proud of his Igbo identity. Some people they feel say the only people for Anioma land where they talk say they be Igbo people na Oshimiri and Anyocha people. Na only Ukwuani people for Anioma land they talk say they be Igbo people. No. So many Ukwuani people are proud of their Igbo identity. So many Ika people are proud of their Igbo identity. This is proof that the Igbo unification movement is working. So many Anioma people are proud of their Igbo identity now. Then they come out, they talk say they be Igbo people. What is the population of Anioma people that are saying that they are Igbo people 10 years ago? What is the population of Anioma people that are saying that they are Igbo people in this 2026? There is a very big difference. That is for you to know that the Igbo unification movement is working. We will make sure that Anioma people see themselves as one people with our Igbo brothers in the Southeast. Those people that are fighting Igbo unification, make una go meet this our brother, tell and say, not be Igbo person, no go wolo poko wasia no Igbo. Anioma is not Igbo. Anioma is not Igbo. But a Bini speaking community that does not have Bini origin is Bini. A Yoruba speaking community that does not have Yoruba origin is Yoruba. And a Ijaw speaking community that does not have Ijaw origin is Ijaw. But we Anioma people that have Igbo origin are not Igbo people. You know go better for those people when they fight Igbo unification. Those people that are fighting Igbo unification, they are uniting in their own side. We Igbo people, we must unite. Anioma people are waking up and they are embracing their Igbo identity. Huge number of we Anioma people are proud of our Igbo identity. If you are from Anioma, be proud of your Igbo identity. Tell it to the world that we Anioma people are Igbo people, that you are an Igbo person. Nobody go beat you say you don't say be Igbo person. Igbo is our identity. That is what we are. Igbo bofu. Issele-Uku.